Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your TradingView full screen. This feature helps you focus on your charts without distractions. We'll cover the easiest methods, including handy keyboard shortcuts, so you can quickly optimize your workspace. Get ready to improve your trading analysis with a clearer view. The most straightforward way is using the dedicated full screen button. Look for the icon that resembles four arrows pointing outwards, usually found in the top right corner of your chart. A single click will expand your chart to fill your entire screen. To return, simply click the icon again or press the Escape key.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And speaking of staying focused during those long trading sessions, remember to stay hydrated. A good water bottle, like the Owala, can make a big difference. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
For a quicker approach, use your keyboard. The F11 key is a universal shortcut for toggling full screen mode in most web browsers, including when you're using TradingView. Just press F11 once to enter full screen and press it again to exit. It's a super efficient way to switch views instantly. Beyond TradingView's internal options, you can also use your web browser's full screen feature. This typically hides the browser's interface, like tabs and the address bar, giving you even more screen real estate. While not specific to TradingView, it complements the chart's full screen mode perfectly for maximum immersion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.